Because I knew it was going to involve some bits that I've not done for a while, so I needed to make sure I was doing it.
That's why I bought Nitro.
Very, very long time. I haven't been in Epsom up Sidings for a very long time. In fact, the last time I went into the Sidings, Epsom, I went in down Sidings. That was a very long time ago as well. I've not done the shunt. I've only done that shunt at Leatherhead twice in my whole career. 21 years. And one was today. In the modern railway, you don't get to do all of the stuff.
Yeah, but now, back in the day, you used to do everything.
So why is this tunnel here?
I don't know, you tell me. You'll be on, put it on the bottom of your email signature, I like those.
Yeah. The local landowner, when the railway was built, didn't want to see the trains from his house.
So you got that?
So
that's the only reason?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, I like the history.
Yeah, I've done it as well. I really enjoy reading them.
So that tunnel was built because the
local landowner didn't want to see the trains go past.
Wow. Power.
power.
Yeah.
So you pick us back up at Guildford on the up then, so you're going around the Byfleet curve, we're doing that bit, yeah? Yeah, I need to run down and grab a sandwich or something at Guildford. Got an hour and 15.
Oh, you getting off at Guildford as well, yeah?
I'm staying on all day, but I need to go and grab something to eat.
How long does this stop at Guildford?
An hour and 15 minutes.
What, will we go there now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully the relief is already there. So I can get some lunch.
No, but you can both the train back onto they're alright.
Fort Williams is already cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
I knew it more than years ago.
Yes. You'll probably turn, hopefully you'll turn up with some uniform today.
I can picture his footwear already.
Yeah. And I was at Guildford briefly as a driver and I said, do we need to organise some safety shoes? He said, what are those?
Spots of leopards come to mind, don't they?
Selling limited clearance signs earlier on that stand.
Yeah.
I thought, I've got a whole garage full of limited clearance signs, I've just taken down from places. I'll go and bought you some to sell. Used ones.
And if you look at the embankment there, there's a little bit of land goes off, and there's a line of trees goes around in a semicircle, and that's where they would have put a triangle in to go back to London. But World War II happened.
The 4 to 6 boards got lost in this station.
Oh, is it? Well, my colleague Steve on the train behind is the board man, stock car man. So we haven't got a 4 to 6 board now.
This was fun getting this one signed off.
Why?
Because we had to have a whole debate about the points into the sidings, whether they need to be skewed or not. Which meant me having to call the people at Balfour Beatty who operate the sidings to double check out how the method of work worked.
They're motorised, though, aren't they?
Well, it's a ground frame, as it turns out. Yeah, because there was a whole conversation about whether we need to have a shunt or a mum down, and I said, well, no, let me find a method of work. So ground frames, the points of skills, as far as I'm concerned, they're fine.
Only the engineering part is the ground frame.
Yeah, exactly. For us,
The rest is all motor.
just go in, just go out, don't we?
It's not much to go wrong direction with the ground frame, but how am I supposed to work in the difference?
Tolworth.
Yeah, that's a ground frame. So it's no, with this, it's no different than if you signal.
It's a switch panel, isn't it, this one?
This is a switch one, yeah. So we used to
Have you tried operating Tolworth ground frame?
No. I like the frame piece pulled
Yeah, I hope
in.
you go to the gym.
Yeah.
Because I've had some problems with that ground frame. You need to be quite tall and quite good upper body strength to get those levers back in.
Anybody got ticket number 3? Because we did sell the logo.
There's a dummy, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we did it. He did
No.
a test. He did a test.
You can only go in the ground frame. Inside.
What, the headshot?
Yeah. We can't. It's not that different.
Yeah, right, no.
75. No. Oh. No, you're too high. But the it's got things gone over £6,000, so we've done quite well.
See how much comes down there, isn't it?
Yeah. Somebody's won a big yeah. Very handy thing to put the lid on. Yeah.
Just say that you're, just say that you're PLS.
Still there,
I think they've been down here for a long time. Like,
Just to let you know, it's right.
They make me sweat though.
It's not there.
It's quite eerie to be so. I'll see when he comes back.
Yeah.
It should be.